How to use Snow Foam Premium Kit with Snow Foam Lance. The kit includes the Snow Foam Lance with either 2 litres or 5 litres of detergent. Snow Foam Australia provides premium chemicals and tools to make every vehicle look its best while protecting it for years to come. This Ford Ranger needs a clean. Let's get to it. Fill the Snow Foam Lance bottle with 900 ml of warm water and 100 ml of Snow Foam detergent. Select the right adapter for your pressure washer and connect this to the Snow Foam Lance head. Attach the lance head to the bottle, ensuring it's secured properly. Adjust the top dial towards the minus for maximum foam thickness. Adjust the spray nozzle for direct or open spraying. Attach the Snow Foam Lance to your pressure washer. You're now ready to spray your vehicle with Snow Foam. The foam will loosen the dirt and drag it off the surface. Leave the foam to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes or until almost dry. Use the wash mitt to gently scrub the panels if required. Once you've cleaned the entire vehicle, rinse off all the foam. Gently use the twister towel to dry off your vehicle completely.